Hey, beautiful soul, welcome back to Daily English Dose with Alia Mehar. I'm so happy you pressed play today. And hey, before we dive in, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because your one little click helps this podcast reach more amazing learners just like you. All right, let's talk. Today's episode is something that comes straight from the heart. Train your mouth to talk. Yes, your mouth. Because English isn't just something you learn in your head. It's something your mouth needs to do. To move, to repeat, to feel. You know, so many of us understand English perfectly, right? We read captions, we watch dramas, and we nod like, yeah, I got this. But when it's time to speak, our tongue suddenly goes on vacation. We freeze. We think, oh no, what was that word again? It's not your brain, my friend. It's your mouth. It's just not trained yet. Think of it like this. When you first learned to write, your hand didn't know how to shape letters. You practiced every single day. Now your hand moves automatically. Your mouth works the same way. You've got to train it to talk. So if you ever feel shy or stuck or scared to speak English, remember this. It's not because you're bad at English. It's because your mouth is still learning the rhythm. Let me tell you something real. When I started learning English, I used to whisper words under my breath while walking home from school. People thought I was talking to myself, but guess what? I was training my mouth. I didn't care how funny it looked. I cared about how fluent I wanted to become. And that's what I want for you. Talk to yourself in English every day. Describe what you're doing. Say, I'm making tea. I'm checking my phone. I'm tired, but I'll keep going. Because the moment your mouth starts moving, your confidence starts growing. And please, stop waiting for the right moment to start speaking. There's no magic day. The magic is now, today. Start small, 5 minutes, 10 minutes. You'll be surprised how fast your mouth starts getting comfortable. One of my students, Sana, used to feel embarrassed speaking English because her brother teased her. So she started talking on her rooftop at night, just her and the stars. And after a few months, she sent me a voice note. Confident, natural, full of life. All because she trained her mouth to talk. So, my beautiful listener, don't just think English, speak it. Every day, even if no one's listening, even if you make mistakes, because your mouth learns through movement, not silence. Say this with me right now. I'm training my mouth to talk. I'm getting better every single day. Yes, that's the energy we need, because the more you speak, the easier it becomes. The more you move your mouth, the more confident your voice feels. And the more confident your voice feels, the more the world will listen. So, take a deep breath. Smile a little. And promise yourself, from today, I'm going to talk out loud, every day. All right, my friend. Now we'll talk about how to build a daily speaking routine and how to make mouth training fun with shadowing and real-life practice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you felt something today. This is Alia Mehar with Daily English Dose. And remember, your mouth is your magic tool. Use it every day. If you're still listening, that means you're serious about improving. And I just want to say, I'm proud of you. You've already taken the hardest step. You showed up. Now, let's make that mouth move. Think of your mouth like a muscle. If you don't use it, it forgets. But if you move it, stretch it, play with sounds every single day, it remembers. So, let's build your daily mouth workout. Yes, you heard me right, your mouth workout. Step 1. Warm up your mouth. Every morning, just spend 1 minute moving your lips and tongue. Say words like really, rarely, ready, right, or tongue twisters, red lorry, yellow lorry. I know it sounds silly, but it actually helps your mouth get flexible and fast. You'll notice when you start speaking after that, your tongue feels lighter. It's like stretching before a dance. Step 2. Shadow someone you like. Pick a YouTuber, a movie scene, or even this podcast, and repeat after them. Mimic their tone, rhythm, and pauses. Don't worry if you're not perfect, just copy the music of their voice. When you shadow, your mouth starts to remember patterns. It learns the natural flow of English, the up, the down, the emotion. That's why shadowing is one of the fastest ways to sound fluent. When I was learning, I used to shadow Friends. Yes, the sitcom. I'd pause after Rachel or Joey and say their lines out loud. It felt weird at first, but soon my mouth started thinking in English. Step 3. Talk to yourself daily. Yes, you can be your own best English partner. Describe what you're doing out loud. I'm making coffee. I'm cleaning my room. I'm tired, but I'm still learning. This sounds simple, but it builds the strongest habit. It teaches your mouth to connect thoughts to words. Remember, your goal is not to talk correctly. It's to talk comfortably. Grammar can come later. Comfort comes from use. Step 4. Record yourself. Once a week, record a 1-minute audio about anything. Your day, your goals, your favorite food, and listen to it. You'll notice how your mouth is improving every week. Your pronunciation will sound clearer, your voice more confident. That's your progress talking back to you. Step 5. Add emotion when you speak. Don't speak like a robot. Speak like a human. Add feelings. Add pauses. Say things with joy, with surprise, with a smile in your tone. Because when you feel it, your mouth expresses it naturally. This is what makes native speakers sound fluent. Not fancy words, but emotion. And one more secret: speak even when no one replies. I know it feels awkward, but it's powerful. If you can talk to yourself, you can talk to anyone. Because confidence is not about people listening, it's about you believing. So, from today, I want you to promise yourself every single day, I'll give my mouth 10 minutes. 10 minutes to move, to speak, to grow. Say it with me. I'm training my mouth to talk. My voice matters. And trust me, it does. Because every sentence you speak brings you one step closer to the confident version of you that's waiting inside. So, my dear listener, keep going. Don't stop because someone laughed. Don't stop because you made mistakes. Keep talking. Because silence never teaches, but speaking always does. And before you go, you know the rule. If you enjoyed this episode, like, share, and subscribe. It really helps me keep creating these daily English talks for you. This is Alia Mehar, reminding you, keep speaking, keep glowing, and keep training your beautiful mouth to talk.